All right, today we are taking a deep dive into the world of unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs. We're going to find out what these drones of the deep actually are, why their market is absolutely exploding, and who's using them to explore our planet's real final frontier.
I mean, really think about that for a second. We're talking about crushing pressures, total darkness. It's an environment that's just completely hostile to human life. So when you need to map an abyss or inspect critical infrastructure on the seafloor or even patrol a coastline, how do you possibly get that job done?
Well, the answer lies in these incredible machines. They're basically the drones of the deep. They're our eyes, our hands, and our sensors in a world that we just can't easily visit ourselves.
So what is a UUV really? At its heart, it's an underwater robot. It's a machine built to go where we can't, whether that's collecting data in the deepest trenches, checking on vital pipelines, or, carrying out some pretty sophisticated military operations. Now, not all UUVs are the same. You've basically got two main flavors. On one side, you have Autonomous Underwater Vehicles, or AUVs. You can kind of think of these as the set-it-and-forget-it explorers. You give them a mission, they go off and do it all on their own. Perfect for huge mapping jobs. But on the other side, you've got remotely operated vehicles, the ROVs. These are actually tethered to a ship with a cable, and a human pilot is flying it in real time. That's what you need for really precise tasks, like, say, repairing a pipeline. Okay, so now that we get the tech, let's talk about the money. Because this isn't just some niche scientific field anymore. We are talking about a full-blown economic boom happening right under the waves. It's like an underwater gold rush.
Let's start here. In 2025, the global market for these underwater drones is already worth nearly $6 billion. Now that's a pretty big number on its own, but what it really shows us is the foundation for something much bigger.
Because get this, by 2033, that number is expected to just skyrocket to almost $11 billion. We are literally talking about the market almost doubling in less than a decade. That is a huge vote of confidence from industries and governments all over the world.
And this chart, wow, it just puts that growth into perspective, doesn't it? What you're looking at isn't some slow, steady climb. Nope, this is a massive acceleration. It's being fueled by this perfect storm of demand from all these different sectors, all trying to get an edge in the undersea world.
And the engine behind that climb? An 8.02% compound annual growth rate. Now, what that really means is this isn't a fluke. It's consistent, it's powerful, and it's sustained expansion, year after year after year. It's pretty clear this technology is way past being a trend. It's becoming absolutely essential.
Okay, so a growth rate like that brings up a really big question. Who on earth is buying all of these underwater robots? And what in the world are they doing with them? Let's break it down.
And right away, you can see the 800-pound gorilla in the room. The defense and military sector is, by far, the biggest driver of the UUV market. You know, in an age of rising global tensions, controlling what happens under the sea is a massive strategic goal. But that's not the whole story. Look at the other slices. Commercial, scientific research, environmental monitoring, these are all serious growing parts of the market. For navies, UUVs are becoming total game changers. They can act as these silent sentinels, just listening and watching. They can scout ahead on dangerous reconnaissance missions, they can clear deadly sea mines, and they're even getting involved in anti-submarine warfare. They are fundamentally changing what maritime security even means.
And here's the thing that brings it all back home. These aren't just military gadgets floating around out there. This same tech is used to inspect the massive underwater cables that bring you the internet, and to check on the pipelines that, power your home. This stuff is part of our daily lives, whether we see it or not.
And that civilian side of things is just blowing up. You've got the energy sector using them to inspect offshore oil rigs, scientists mapping parts of the ocean floor that no human has ever seen, and environmental groups using them to check on the health of marine ecosystems. They're becoming crucial tools for both industry and for pure discovery. Now, this whole phenomenon isn't just happening in one country's backyard. The hunger for UAVs is a truly global story, and you've got different regions popping up as major players for very different reasons. This table gives us a fantastic, quick look at the whole world. So you've got North America as the current leader, and that's mainly driven by huge military budgets. But look over at the Asia-Pacific. That's the fastest growing market, and it's being pushed by a mix of new offshore energy projects and a whole lot of naval modernization. And Europe is right there too, with steady growth as countries upgrade their own fleets.
And just to put some names to those regions, yeah, the United States is the clear leader in North America, but over in the Asia-Pacific, that incredible growth is really being powered by heavy hitters like China, Japan, and India. They are all pouring money into building up their own undersea capabilities.
So what does it all mean? We've looked at what UUVs are, how fast this market is growing, and who's using them. Let's pull all those threads together and take a quick look at what's coming next.
So what are the big takeaways here? First, UAVs aren't sci-fi anymore. They are critical tools for a whole bunch of industries. Second, this market is absolutely booming. Defense is leading the charge for sure, but the commercial and scientific uses are catching up fast. And finally, while North America holds the crown for now, the Asia-Pacific is the region you really want to keep an eye on.
And that really brings us to the final question, doesn't it? We are truly at the very beginning of this underwater revolution. As AI and autonomous systems get even smarter, these deep-sea drones are only going to get more capable, more independent. So, what discoveries will they make? What new industries will they create? It makes you think, maybe the next great frontier of exploration isn't out there in the stars, but right here, waiting for us beneath the waves.